Hello and welcome to another episode. Today, because of Storm Kieran, I've got my car plugged in during the day. I'm on the Intelligent Octopus trial with the Zappi, and I've been given charging slots during the day all the way till 4 p.m. So I've taken the opportunity to charge both cars and also benefit from cheap in-house electricity usage, in theory. I mean, I'm going to do a follow-up video on how I'm doing on this, but I'll come to that on a different episode. Anyway, whilst I'm looking at that, I noticed that the charging information percentage was back on the app. So in two places on the home screen, previously it was saying not plugged in at all when it was plugged in and charging. Now it's saying plugged in, and it tells you the time remaining, and it flashes between the two. And then on the status screen, it's back 75%. And also it says charging and AC charging. Now it wasn't doing that. So this points to a server-side issue. Maybe they didn't follow a deployment plan when they rolled out this version, or just something didn't get put on the servers. Someone in the comments yesterday who's got a Hyundai Bluelink app said it's the same on theirs. So I think it is all server-side, this particular bit of information. Maybe the car's sending the information back to the server, and then they're calculating it and working out on the server time remaining. Maybe it's something like that. But all seems good now. People have complained today about data network errors on Kia Connect, but I'm not seeing those. Mine's working fine. That just could be local connectivity. So it's up to you if you want to install it now. I mean, it's the main reason was the lack of charging percentage, but that's gone now. So anyway, this was a quick update. Thank you for watching.